Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. I'm making this quick video to talk to you about one part of your body that you probably don't stretch enough, and something that you should be stretching probably every day, and it's your neck. So we hold a ton of tension in our neck. We tend to be in positions throughout the day that aren't very nice to our neck, but we don't do the maintenance stretches required for our neck to feel good. And the reason why I'm showing you these is not so just you can have long-term health through your neck and your shoulders, but also because it just feels way better when you're stretching your neck. The good news is that there's only a few stretches that you need to do, and that you'll notice the benefits of stretching your neck almost immediately. So here we go. You can do this from whatever position you'd like. You can be in a standing position upright, or you can be in a seated position. So I'm going to have you select whatever pose or whatever seated position or standing position you want to do. Just make sure you can sit up nice and tall or stand up nice and tall with a neutral spine. So the first stretch you're going to do is directly countering what we tend to do during the day, which is tucking your chin and looking down, or rounding your shoulders and having or looking at your phone or looking over your computer, whatever it is. So we're going to sit up nice and tall or stand up nice and tall. Press the top of your head toward the ceiling. Make your neck as long as you can, and then start to look up while leaning your head up and back. It also helps to grab your head here, actually grab your head, and pull your head away from your neck. So this is going to help you get a better stretch through your neck. You're also going to feel the muscles in the back of your head and your neck start to work to hold your head upright. And this is exactly what we want to do. We want to get those muscles to engage. We want to give the other muscles a break. All right, so this is something you can hold for 30 seconds or for a minute. Just make sure that you're keeping lift through your neck. So if you look at me, I'm going to change angles. And if you look at me from the side here, you'll notice that I'm keeping length through the back of my neck. Right, I'm not letting my head just collapse. I'm keeping my head pressing away from my shoulders and going up and back as much as I possibly can. So again, 30 seconds or a minute there. The second stretch we're going to do is for the sides of your neck. So again, sit up nice and tall. Lean your right ear toward your right shoulder. Press the left side of your head into your left hand for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, just activating those muscles in the outside of your left neck. And this is important because it's going to help us get a better release through those muscles. And then go ahead and release your hand from your head and let your right ear fall closer toward your right shoulder. Keep your chest upright. We're not changing anything but the neck here. Just allow that ear to sink toward the shoulder and look straight forward. Hold this for a minimum of 30, and I'd recommend going to 60 seconds. This is stretch number 2. Stretch number 3, keep upright through your chest, keep good posture, turn to face your right shoulder, and just look at your right shoulder. And now we're going to feel the stretch kind of in the back outside of your head. So looking down at the right shoulder, staying up nice and tall, breathing deeply in and out of the nose. As you exhale, that's when you deepen the stretch. As you inhale, you maintain and you lift. All right, so we've got 3 stretches so far. Looking straight up and back, leaning your ear toward your shoulder, and then from there, looking down at your shoulder. And then, of course, we're going to do the other side. So lean your head toward the left shoulder now. Bring your right hand to the outside of your head. Press your head into your hand for 10 seconds, just getting that muscle on the outside of your neck, on the right side of your neck to engage. And then after 10 seconds, releasing, allowing the ear to sink toward the shoulder a little bit more, and then holding that for about a minute. Staying upright through your chest, staying nice and tall. And then the second stretch from here, turning to look at your left shoulder, now feeling the stretch through the back outside of the neck, all the way from the shoulder up through the back of the head. You might even feel this in your forehead. Depending on how tight this muscle is, you'll feel it refer to other parts of your neck, shoulders, or your head. And then again, holding that for a minimum of 30 seconds and 60, maybe even 90 seconds. And that's it. So there's 3 stretches there to do. And if you do those on a regular basis, maybe even just 2 times a week, your neck is going to feel amazing. You're going to feel less stress in your upper body, in your shoulders, in your head. You'll actually reduce tension headaches. And again, you're just going to feel a lot better in your head, neck, and shoulders. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, share it with a friend. If you would like to leave a comment, please do so. Make sure you like it. And if you're looking for more content like this and want to start with workouts or full-on programs to help you get stronger and relieve pain or improve your posture or whatever it is with yoga, I've got tons of different programs and workouts all in the Manflow Yoga members area. A 7-day trial is just $1. So learn more about that at manflowyoga.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manflowyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.